Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Valorant from your PC. So please don't forget to like and subscribe before we begin, and let's dive in. So I'm going to show you a quick method in order to uninstall Valorant from your computer or even from your PC or laptop. So the first thing you need to do, you come here and click on it. And if you got Riot Game here from one of these, you just need to go right click on it and click on Excite. From my end here, I already closed Riot, so there's no need to do this once again. But from your end, you need to do this. And that's the first step. The second step, go here on the Windows button and right click and search for Task Manager. Click on it here. And also you can search for Valorant or Riot or any game or anything that is related to this game. So here, if I search for it, I will not find it because I've already ended the game from my end. Even though if I search here for Valorant, as you can see, there's no any file or any results because I've closed the game. So if you find Valorant here, for example, let's say that this is Valorant, you just click on it, and here click on End Task. But just once you find Valorant or any game that related to Riot Games or Valorant. And that's the second step. The third step, you click here in the Windows and go to Settings, and then here click on Apps, Installed Apps, and here in the search apps you can search for Valorant, and once you find Valorant, just for example, you click here and then choose uninstall. From my end, I don't have Valorant because I've already installed the game, but just in case if you find Valorant, because if you like to uninstall the game, just click here on these 3 points and choose uninstall, and that's how you can uninstall Valorant from your computer. So please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.